Hey there, money sending adventurers. Today, we're tackling a topic that's super practical: how to send money from Ethiopia to Argentina. Whether you're supporting family, handling business deals, or just sending a thoughtful gift, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First off, let's talk about why this matters. International transfers can be tricky with exchange rates, fees, and regulations, but with the right info, it's straightforward. Step 1. Choose your method. Options like Western Union, MoneyGram, or digital services such as Wise, formerly TransferWise, and PayPal are popular. In Ethiopia, you might start at a bank like Commercial Bank of Ethiopia or use mobile apps if available. For Argentina, ensure the recipient can easily access the funds through local banks or pickup points. Always compare fees and exchange rates. Use online calculators to see how much you'll actually send versus what arrives. Next, check the legal stuff. You'll need valid ID for both sender and receiver, and be aware of Ethiopia's foreign exchange controls. If you're using a service, verify if they operate in both countries to avoid surprises. Once you're set, gather details: the recipient's full name, address, and bank account info if applicable. Now, for the actual transfer. Sign up or log in to your chosen service, enter the amount in Ethiopian birr or convert it, provide recipient details, and review the transaction. Double-check everything to prevent errors. Mistakes can lead to delays or lost funds. Security is key, so use secure networks and enable two-factor authentication. Finally, after initiating the transfer, track it online and confirm with the recipient once they receive it. Remember, processing times can vary from minutes to days, so plan ahead. There you have it. Sending money across the globe doesn't have to be stressful. If you're new to this, start small and always read the fine print. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Let's make global finances easier together.